Welcome everyone to another train episode of what I got for my KTM ETS Business Class Ramadan Box. That is indeed a mouthful. But anyways, I'm catching a train to Butterworth during Ramadan. This year, I'd like to see what the Ramadan box is in store for me in the business class train. Is it the same as last year or even better? I don't know. So let's see. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and send a super chat to see more fun contents. Enjoy!
Thank you. Ni jadi sahaja kan? Tak ada apa dah. Okay, thank you.
Testing. Alright guys, so now it's time for the... Okay, I want to show you this. So I think this is all we're gonna get. Based on the staff that I asked before, this is all we Muslims are gonna get for this train ride. This whole box, okay? So we would eat it after we break fast, usually after dusk, okay? So, and of course the non-Muslims, they will get a meal prepared for them. And I swear to God, this train right now, this coach smells so good from the food that they're serving the non-Muslims. So I can't wait to break fast with my food. So before we do that, let's just unbox and let's see what we got. The first thing that I noticed from this box is that it's quite smaller than last year. I think I went back last year. Yeah, it's quite smaller than last year's. So, and it's, you know, not that heavy. Last year's was heavy, and I don't know. Let's look inside. I'm just gonna open my table here. I can't believe a lot of the stuff in this train is kind of like new, so I'm quite surprised. So let me open it for you. It's time for the unboxing, so let us see what we got today. Okay, it's quite something, I guess, compared to last year. So let's see what we got. Okay, remember when I mentioned that they used to give like this? I'm glad we still got this, and also orange juice. Please don't give me mango or anything. I like my orange juice like this. Thank you, KTM. I really appreciate it. And my favorite drink of all time, kacang soya. Soy milk, and it's like my favorite. Okay, we got this. And we're not forgetting the salted peanuts. They also have this last year. And oh wow, okay, this is something new. Last year we got only like one chocolate muffin, and now we got like 2 chocolate muffins in one package. So this is something new, because okay, the last year's brand was very delicious, okay, and well, I don't know if this brand is good, so I will try it when I break my fast. And yes, the AirPods or earphones or whatever you call it. Okay, they do not have the business class printed on here like I wouldn't say last year, but like previously when I went for business class. So there's no printed business class logo here. But yeah, I guess, yeah, this is also good. I'm just gonna give this to my friend. This box, okay. Oh, okay, I also got a date. Wow, okay, thank you so much. And we also got this nasi goreng ikan masin, or would you, okay, let me try to translate this in English. Salted fish fried rice. It's packed inside here, and I think it's ready to eat, or maybe if you want it like hot, you can just microwave it. So yeah, this is a new company. I'm like, I don't know, I've never tasted anything from this company before. But let's just see, maybe if it's good. I don't know. So I guess that is all for our Ramadan box. Okay, for anyone who's wondering, this is how the fried rice looks like on a plate. For me, it tasted quite good for a ready-to-eat meal. I'm even considering to support the brand because it managed to capture the salted fish taste in that fried rice. And you can even see there are small chunks of carrots and salted fish. It's actually quite good in my opinion, so you guys should try it. Okay, so since this is all we got, my comments. I like the part where I get my favorite drinks. I like the part where I got 2 muffins instead of 1. However, it was quite not what I expected compared to last year and the years before. I guess it's okay, you know, I don't know. Because you can't complain, okay? So yeah, I guess it was okay. So I'm just currently waiting for the what do you call that? I'm waiting for my last trip because I'm gonna go back from Butterworth to Kuala Lumpur in 5 days from now. So at that time it's already past the Eid, so I'm gonna have like real food, you know, like real food served and prepared for me at the table. So we're gonna see from there. Yeah. But overall, it's an okay Ramadan box. It's not the best compared to last year, but I like it. I enjoyed my trip, and I liked the interior in the train, and I guess that's all. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and send a super chat to see more fun contents. And if you're interested to try the ETS train Ramadan box, maybe you can do so next year. I don't know, maybe KTM will plan a different one next year, so let's see. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. But before we end the video, here's a nice view of my Ramadan box with the outside view of the train. So green. I love it. And last look at my Ramadan box package for you guys. So yeah, this is everything that I got for the business class Ramadan box. So that's all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and send a super chat. See you in the next video.